Now, the United States has recorded 1,060 coronavirus deaths overnight, raising the toll to over 175,000 with 5.6 million infections, while Brazil also reported over 1,000 deaths and more than 30,000 COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, bringing the infections tally to 3.5 million. Globally, the pandemic has infected over 22.9 million people and claimed nearly 800,000 lives. More details in this report.
Despite multiple countries reporting downward trend in deaths and cases, the coronavirus pandemic is far from over around the globe. The U.S. has closed lanes at select ports of entry at the border with Mexico and will conduct more secondary checks to curb the spread of the coronavirus. In Mexico, the famous floating gardens of Xochimilco have reopened to visitors after a 5-month lockdown. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization chief says the pandemic will last less than 2 years.
We hope to finish this pandemic before less than 2 years, especially if we can pull our efforts together and with national unity, global solidarity. That's really key, with utilizing the available tools to the maximum and hoping that we can have additional tools like vaccine.
Australia's second most populous state of Victoria has reported 13 new deaths as the cases remain below 200 for the second day straight. In Europe, Germany has issued travel warnings for Brussels and French Guiana following an infection spike in the regions. Meanwhile, in Italy, citizens have headed to the beaches to cool off the heat woes, but fears remain for a resurgence of the virus. Mainland China has reported 22 new imported cases with no domestic transmissions, while in South Korea, 332 cases were reported in the past 24 hours as the country expanded stricter social distancing measures nationwide.